Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Terabox account permanently. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First thing you need to do is to open your Terabox application. Now you need to skip this ad, simply tap on. Once you have logged into your Terabox account, you have to click on these three dots at the top left. After that, scroll down, and after that here you will see settings option. Simply tap on this settings. After that, at the top here you will find security center. Simply tap on this security center button. Now after that you will find the deleting an account option. Simply tap on this deleting an account option. Once this page open, here you can see risk of deleting an account. You will be unable to log in if your account is deleted permanently. No product data can be retrieved. Your premium privileges will expire immediately. Now you have to tell them a reason why you are deleting your Terabox account. Once you enter the reason, you just have to check this be aware of the risk and confirm cancel the account. And after that, here you need to tap on this delete account at the bottom. After that, your Terabox account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Terabox account permanently.